Disney Plus on the remote. Cool. Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys the new TLC Smart TV. Show you guys a few ratings. So it's Series 3. It's a Roku TV. So let's open up the box here. And we get the packaging. So I guess we have the booklet, the remote, and stuff. Cool. Right, so let's see what's in there real quick. Okay. I'm gonna have to open up that. So I just switched over to the 4K on the iPhone 11 Pro. So here we have batteries, the remote, nice, and here we go. So we're videoing in 4K right now on the iPhone 11 Pro. Got optical zoom right there. Shoot, this is lit. Okay, boys. So we got that. We got this little thing here. I guess this is for the stand. Got one right there. I got this from Best Buy, by the way. Really reasonable price. I guess this is what the screws are for. Right there. Interesting. Series 3. Nice. Looks good. I'll get into all that stuff later. Alright. Yeah, get that styrofoam and the plastic feature. Okay, here we go, boys. Let's take this thing, this bad boy, out the box. Alright, I'm gonna have to take that out the box. I would do that for you guys, but unfortunately, I'm doing all this stuff with one hand, so it's a little tricky. I need to buy a tripod stand for my iPhone in the future, definitely. So let me show you some more stuff on the box. Alright, so we're gonna take this TV out and I'll show you right now. Kind of slip this out. Oof. So subtle. Yeah, I guess that's basically it. Just another styrofoam. So this is the box. There we go. Back to the main event. Alright, boys. Check it out. Look at that beauty. She's a beauty, let me tell you that. She is a beauty. Nice little TV screen going on right now. Sexy. Alright, let's look at it. We got 3 HDMI ports at the side. We got USB, AVG, all that good stuff. We got a button right there. Let's look at the back. Alright, boys, I'm about to set this up. You're gonna see it. Ooh, you're looking good, boys. We're looking good. Brand new TV. Hey, this is already. Now we're getting an update. So it is updated. This TV is looking nice though, not even like 40 inches. I'm gonna be so much more satisfied right now with my PS4, let me tell you that. And my Nintendo's everything. Connect my phone up to that. We're gonna have fun with it. Boys, we got the TV set, Roku and everything. I was just on Spotify. Testing that out, so that's lit. Here we have it. It's looking good. Go to the console right now. Go to PS4. I should get my other devices set up. So here we have the PS4. And my controller's dying. Of course it's dying. Hey, this is a nice little upgrade for me, let me tell you that. Alright, boys. Oh, that looks first part. Might show y'all some gameplay on this, maybe. Ooh, I'm probably gonna have to set up my display settings and stuff like that. I mean, PS4 is on a smaller screen, so most likely, yep, most likely. That's right. Expand that. Boom. Video output settings. Resolution. 1080p. HDR. Automatic. Wait, what? It doesn't support HDR. Oh, that's fine. Still sexy. Still sexy. Deep colors. Automatic. Okay. I guess this is just a 1080p. 60 hertz. But, you know, it's okay. This looks nice either way. Probably gonna get a 4K upgrade one day. But for now, this is it, boys. So this has been your boy, the GamerX. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Make sure to like and subscribe.